Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I'm making a quick breakfast. I took a quick break right now from my work. So let's start.
Alright, so today we're going to do avocado muffin. We will need 2 bananas, half an avocado, half cup of oat flour, 3 teaspoons of honey, vegetable oil, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla essence, apple vinegar, veggie milk, water, dark cocoa, and chocolate chips. So in this part, I'd like to show you how to cut an avocado so you don't cut your hand. I've seen some horrible footage of people cutting their hands. So it's pretty easy. You just cut it in half. And I take the seed out with my hands without the knife. It's safer like that. And to take out the meat of the avocado, I use a spoon. Okay, so we'll put our 2 bananas in the blender, the half avocado in the blender as well, the rest of the ingredients in the blender, so everything goes into the blender. Pretty easy, right? Yeah, so the reason everything goes to the blender is because I didn't have much time. I was at a quick break at work, so everything goes into the blender, okay? Okay, so we blend everything and then we put it out in a bowl or mix. We put our chocolate chips, mix, and then put it in the muffin pan. You will need to bake them around 20 minutes for 180 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is the result, or eggless avocado muffins. They are delicious, very nutritious also, because of the avocado and the bananas and all the fresh ingredients that we put in them, and they're super fast to do. Excellent for a quick breakfast or a snack. Enjoy!
So guys, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and activate the notification so you get one of these videos each week. Bye!